to Velvette. My name is Mohana and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few makeup tips and tricks during monsoons. So before anything, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you are on our Facebook page, do not forget to hit like and follow on the Facebook page. I'm sorry guys, Neha isn't here with me today. So first tip. Monsoon is that time of the year when our skin tends to get very acne prone. Which makes sense because the air has so much humidity during monsoons. So we tend to get acne very easily, which is why I think every girl or boy should have this holy grail product in this stash, which is the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil. Every time you feel that you're about to break out, not when you have a fully blown acne sitting on your skin. Every time you feel you're about to break out, take a small cotton swab and dab a little bit of the tea tree oil and gently pat it. Do it before you go to sleep and just rest overnight. Your skin will feel so much better and thank you the next day. Make sure that you're washing your face twice a day and do so with a antibacterial face wash. Now again, Body Shop has a tea tree oil cleanser which you can use to wash your face. If not, then you can always try out some other antibacterial products available in the market. Remove all your makeup. Although preferably you should try going without any makeup during monsoons, but still, if you have meetings, if you have a hot date, if you want to look nice, if you have a birthday party, these are occasions where you would want to look nice, and it's absolutely natural to want to do a nice makeup look. You can go over to my main channel where I uploaded a monsoon makeup look which you can easily try out during monsoons. It's breathable, it's light, it's airy and would not clog your pores. Make sure you're giving your skin a break and using no foundation for this couple of months. Just apply concealer and a little bit of pressed powder, some bronzer, a little bit of blush, a lip shade. The moment I step inside my house, I always take a nice coconut oil. Coconut oil is not something which is suitable for all skin types. If you have oily skin, you might want to skip coconut oil and use a micellar water. Garnier has the new micellar water. I like the Sephora one. There are a lot of micellar waters available in the market right now. There's also this Bioderma one which I heard is very good. There's Cetaphil to take off every last bit of makeup. So apply a nice light moisturizer. I love the seaweed collection of Body Shop, but there are a lot of other moisturizers that you can try out from the market. But something which is nice and soothing for your skin, but at the same time not too heavy. Before you step out, always ensure that you're wearing SPF. It might not be sunny and it might be raining, but the UV rays are always there. Do not ever forget your SPF and go for a mattifying SPF. I love my Neutrogena SPF plus the Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. This is my favorite. I used Lotus for a very long time, but I've switched to Neutrogena recently and I like both the brands, so whichever one you prefer. Take care of your under eyes and lips during monsoon. Moving on from face to hair, my hair is currently loving the Dove shampoo and conditioner. I used a number of products and my hair since the time I moved to Kolkata has suffered a lot. It had gone really dry and frizzy, and after I started using the Dove shampoo and conditioner, my hair has actually improved so much. It sounds like a Dove commercial, but in no way is our video sponsored by them or anyone for that matter of fact. If you know someone I can connect with to get sponsored videos, please do comment below. Ensure that your shampoos are sulfate free, which is something that is very bad for your hair. Make sure you're using a hair mask at least once a week. Give yourself a coconut oil chumpy. Finish it off with an anti-frizz serum. Nice sleek glossy look. So yeah, that's how you take care of your hair. Now nails are also something that we forget to take care of during monsoons. Always apply a top coat which strengthens your nails. You can always use cuticle oil to take care of dry cuticles, which might be a major problem for a lot of girls, especially who do a lot of work with their hands or wash their hands a lot. If you're someone like me who keeps washing their hands too much, always keep a hand cream with you in your stash that you can use immediately after washing your hands. Now, the most important tip I think which a lot of us overlook during monsoon season is feet care. Now always carry those peppermint or antibacterial feet sprays that you can spray onto your shoes and your feet, especially the gap between. So always make sure that you're spraying your feet with those, because fungal infections are very common during monsoon and you wouldn't want to catch it because it's very difficult to get rid of. Every day while taking a bath, scrub your feet, clean it, and always apply the antibacterial or peppermint spray to keep your feet smelling fresh, and so that every time you take off your shoes, everyone around you feels happy too and they don't have to instantly cover their noses. Now this bit is completely optional, but while taking a shower you can always add a couple of drops of Dettol if you're taking a bath from your bucket. Always add a little bit of Dettol in your bucket water and then take a shower. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys liked the video and I hope I have covered everything that is necessary. If you have something that you want to add and that is something that you followed forever or your parents have followed, because I feel the best tips come from grandmothers and parents. So if there is something that you would want us to cover and if you would want us to talk about in our next video, do not forget to leave down in the comments below so that we can check it out and always include in our next video. So yeah, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell button if you're on our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and follow our Facebook page, and of course give your ideas and let us know what we should be talking about in our next video. This was the very first video of Velvette and I thank you guys a lot for watching this and bearing with me alone. So I'll be back with more such videos with Neha, of course, and maybe we have something very exciting planned out for our next video. So goodbye.